a cozy, sunlit kitchen, a shiny spoon with cartoon eyes loved tapping playfully. The other kitchen items found the spoon's delightful noise a ticklish, cheery tune. Every morning, the spoon would clink and clank, spreading laughter around the kitchen. As the early sun rays filtered through the window, the spoon's metallic clink echoed like laughter. It resonated joyfully, a sound that made the kitchen feel alive with boundless play. Even the tableware seemed to perk up, experiencing an unexpected adventure. The kitchen echoed with curious sounds as the spoon slowly tapped, its rhythm like a cheerful heartbeat. Nearby cooking pots became captivated by the lilting melody, swaying as if in a playful dance. Happiness floated like fluffy clouds over a wide, laughing sky. Every clink from the spoon seemed to weave invisible threads of laughter throughout the room. Flour dusted the air like tiny snowflakes, dancing whimsically to the spoon's rhythm. The kitchen became a haven for giggles, where love sprinkled freely with each joyous sound. A melody composed of laughter and clinks enriched the kitchen, where even the clock chimed softly. Interested spectators appeared at the window, swaying to the rhythm, granting them sweet kitchen melodies. Each second was full of whimsical joy, never to be forgotten. With new inspiration, the spoon decided to explore other kitchen sounds, creating a symphony of joy. Pots and pans became eager members of the band, ringing with delight at the spoon's cheerful lead. The whole kitchen turned into a glorious orchestra of laughter and sound. The spoon found new notes as it tapped on jars and lids, making joyful, silly tunes. Each touch was cherished by its fellow utensils, part of a lively concert under the gently swaying light. Together, they created a universe of musical delight and joyful jingles. Suddenly, a mini pause occurred as the spoon pondered the joy its playful noise had sown. Knowing every tap held laughter, it continued, knowing sound was a bridge to happiness. Each clink was not just noise, but magic that made the kitchen come alive. Resolute and full of new enthusiasm, the spoon renewed its animated song, enchanting even the clock. Its joyful clinks traveled across the room, infusing everything with a vibrant hum. The kitchen became a magical world where laughter and sound intertwined endlessly. As the day wore on, the spoon's melody bonded each kitchen part into one joyous concert. The kitchen tapped and chimed along like a lovely symphony of friendly chimes. Happiness shone like bright stars, where each note was a twinkling delight.